Quotations for a picnic party. What peaceful hours I enjoyed, how sweet their memories still. The world is too much with us, late and soon. Getting and spending we lay waste our powers, little we see, nature that is ours. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Rain is the nature's way of saying, let's enjoy. Oh, lift me as a wave, as a leaf, as a cloud. I fall upon the thorns of life, I bleed a heavy weight of hours, chains and board. One too like thee, tameless, swift and proud. Oh, there is a blessing in gentle breeze that blow from green fields and clouds, and from the sky it beats against my cheeks and seems half conscious of joy it gives. What is life if full of cares? We have no time to stand and stare. Breaks in routine are the blessed one. Never saw I, never felt a calm so deep. The river glided at his own sweet will. I found myself in nothing else so happy as in soul remembering good friends.